drink, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've been living here in Bohol for over 2 years now. The last country I visited before I came to the Philippines was Italy. My best friend got married in the Tuscan vineyards, and now I'm going to get a taste of that beautiful country once again. This is La Casa di Beatrice. Good afternoon, Maayong hapon. Welcome back to the channel. This is Bohol is Awesome. So today we are in Panglao, not too far from Alona Beach, and we're at La Casa di Beatrice. It's an Italian-inspired resort. Today I'm going to show you around. Tonight we have an event with Pilya Basta, who is doing the menu for a 4-course meal. But why don't we walk around, take a look, and then maybe hit the pool. All right, why don't we do a little room tour? I'll be staying in the deluxe on this side of the pool, but on the other side we have the villas, and upstairs are the standard rooms. Why don't we go take a look? Welcome to the deluxe room. Super spacious. There's so much room. Got a nice big bed, TV behind me. Nice little place to lounge with a perfect view of the pool. Definitely feels like Italy. So on this side of the bed we have a little mini fridge with a kettle and some water. There's a little table if you need to sit down and work, as well as an air conditioner. And over here we have a little safe and a place to hang any clothing that you have and a place for your luggage. Just around the corner, we have a sink and mirror and 2 separate doors. One specifically for the toilet, and on the other side is the shower. So it's just after midday. I wanted to grab a little bit of a lunch. I wanted to try out the menu here at La Casa di Beatrice. The reason I'm here is actually for tonight. There's a dinner event with Pilya Basta Cuisine. It's a restaurant in Tagbilaran City. They've teamed up with La Casa di Beatrice, and they're here tonight to offer a 4-course meal. But I'm already hungry, so why don't we have a little bit of lunch? Check this out. I got myself a pastrami panini, ensaimada, and a latte. This view makes me feel like this. All right, all dressed up, ready for dinner. Tonight, in case I haven't mentioned it already in the video, Pilya Basta restaurant from Tagbilaran City has teamed up with La Casa di Beatrice Resort that we're at here today. So tonight's a fun event. It's gonna be a 4-course meal. We're gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna try to video as much as I can. It might be a little bit dark. I'll at least put in some pictures so you can see the food. Good morning. Sorry if I still look half asleep, that's because I am. I had a really wonderful, comfortable sleep, and I slept in way past what I normally do. But we're up now, super sunny day, everything looks great. I just ordered breakfast, check this out. Classic Filipino. I have some longanisa, scrambled egg, garlic fried rice. It comes with ensaimada and a coffee and such a view. I'm gonna eat and then let's jump in the pool. What a great way to start the morning. Really amazing breakfast, swim in the pool, get some sunshine. If you're coming to Bohol, or even if you already live here, I definitely recommend to come check out La Casa di Beatrice. This is a really amazing spot. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Italy was the last place that I visited before I moved here 2 years ago. So this definitely brought back a lot of memories. Love this place. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you are coming to Bohol or Panglao and it's your first time and you're looking for things to do, check out this video. I had a great time. I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you next time. Bye.